Morning to all the students. About this Newton motor ability test. This is again a motor ability. Just read the year 1939. Okay. Yeah, round about around 80 years back, such a test was designed. 80 years back, people had identified the need to measure the motor ability in which they wanted to assess the power and the agility component. And it's interesting to see how they try to test the power and the agility component. Okay, again, this is a very simple three test item battery. In the three test item battery, the first test item is very much simple and very much similar to all the previous tests, that is standing broad jump. Stand at a one place without taking the initial run, just jump from the spot for the explosive power. And another two tests will be interesting for you. Don't forget the date, developed by Powell and Hovey in 1939. 1939. Okay, yeah. So the second, baby hurdle race. In the baby hurdle race, this is how your station looks like, and the direction of run is from right to left, as I marked it. So this is total a 20-yard distance, a 20-yard distance. Okay, a 20-yard distance. This is placed? Five hurdles are placed. Five hurdles are placed. First, first hurdle is placed at a distance of 5 yards from the starting line. From the starting line. Second, third, fourth, and the fifth hurdle is placed at a distance of 5 yards. And after a distance of 3 yards, there is a marker. There is a marker. Okay, from where you have to take a turn and repeat the test, repeat the jumps again onto the five hurdles and finish it off from the starting line, at the starting line itself. Okay, so on the signal for go, you start from the starting line. Okay, and jump, cross all the five hurdles, turn from the cone at which is placed at the distance of 3 yards, and jump back again, jump back again, cross all the five hurdles, and finish off the test. Once you cross the line, that will be your time. Okay, so this is the baby hurdle test. Okay, and this hurdle, the height of the hurdle is 15 inch. It is a 15-inch high hurdle. Okay, it is a 15-inch high hurdle, and five hurdles are to be used into it. Okay, it is something which we use it. We use 6 inches, 9 inches, and 12 inches PVC hurdles for the training purpose. And similarly, after 12 inch, we do also have the 15 inch. Okay, instead of 15 inch, even uh, the basketball substitution benches and the volleyball substitution benches which are used, again they can be used, which are roundabout and approximately 15-inch high. So initially in the beginning those benches were used. Okay, yeah, when these hurdles were not available, now those benches, instead of benches, it can be replaced with 15-inch high hurdles. Yeah, so this was the baby hurdle race. You should not forget about it. Baby hurdle race. It's interesting and very relevant, and you can understand why this is a part of motor fitness test because of this aspect. Yeah. Now, the third test item is a Scrabble. Now, what is a Scrabble? Before I go to the explanation, Scrabble, I think I should come up with a picture or the figure, the diagram which describes the Scrabble. In Scrabble, you see there is a wall. There is a wall. Okay. and there is a table behind or in front of the wall, and over the table you will find a bell. You will find a bell. Okay, a bell. Clear? So, and a person will lie down. A person will lie down with his feet onto the wall, with his feet pressed onto the wall, and onto the sides, hands onto the sides, with palms facing the floor, with the palms facing the floor. So this is the basic dressing, how the test starts. Okay, so there is a wall, and in front of the wall there is a table. Okay, and over the table there is a bell. Okay, and onto the wall the person presses keeps his feet onto the wall and lies down with his palms facing down. Yeah. So the distance between the wall and the table is 10 feet. The distance between the wall and the table is 10 feet. It is a 10 feet distance, and the height of the table is 4 feet. Okay, I think it's easy for you to understand now. On the signal go, on the signal go, the person stands up. The person stands up, runs towards the table, and rings the bell twice. Clang, clang. Rings the bell twice and gets back to the wall and lies down into the same old position and taps the floor twice. Taps the floor twice. Again stands up, goes to the table, ring the bell twice, comes back, lie down, and tap the floor twice. In this way, he has to complete 4 rounds. He has to go and ring the bell. So that is 4 rounds. Okay, and the total time will be calculated for the 4 rounds. So this is how the Scrabble test is done. So in short, these are the 3 test items. First test item is the standing broad jump in Newton motor ability test. Baby hurdle is the third one, or the second test item, and Scrabble is the third test item.